We'll cover here's a brief summary of each AWS update. AWS Transfer Family launches support for IPv6 endpoints. AWS Transfer Family now supports IPv6 endpoints, allowing customers to securely transfer files using IPv6 addressing. 2. Citations API and PDF support for Claude models now in Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock introduces the Citations API and PDF support for Claude models, enhancing their usability and integration for document handling. 3. Amazon DynamoDB Global Tables with multi-region strong consistency is now generally available. The feature allowing Amazon DynamoDB Global Tables to offer strong consistency across multiple AWS regions is now generally available, improving data reliability for distributed applications. 4. Amazon Elasticache now supports AWS PrivateLink in 8 additional AWS regions. AWS PrivateLink support for Amazon Elasticache has been expanded to 8 more AWS regions, enhancing private connectivity and security options. 5. Now generally available, Amazon EC2 C8gn instance. The Amazon EC2 C8gn instance, designed for high-performance computing with enhanced networking, is now generally available for users. And 5 updates in total. AWS Transfer Family launches support for IPv6 endpoints. AWS Transfer Family announces Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6, support for server endpoints and service APIs. This enhancement enables both IPv6 and IPv4 clients to communicate with Transfer Family SFTP, FTPS, FTP, and AS2 server endpoints. The addition of IPv6 support provides a vastly expanded address space, eliminating concerns about address exhaustion and simplifying network architecture for IPv6 native applications. With dual-stack support for both IPv4 and IPv6 clients on AWS Transfer Family endpoints, you can transition from IPv4 to IPv6 without needing to switch all systems at once. AWS Transfer Family support for IPv6 is available in all AWS regions where the service is available. To learn more, visit the Transfer Family User Guide. AWS Transfer Family's IPv6 support is available in all AWS regions that offer the service. For more information, refer to the Transfer Family User Guide. Citations API and PDF support for Claude models now in Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock now supports a Citations API and PDF functionality for Anthropic's Claude models. This empowers developers to create more reliable AI applications and enhances document processing capabilities. The Citations API allows Claude models to reference the exact sentences and passages used for responses. This leads to outputs that are more verifiable and trustworthy, essential for applications requiring high accuracy. Fields such as legal research, academic writing, and fact-checking benefit greatly from the ability to trace information back to its source, which is made possible with the Citations API. PDF support extends Amazon Bedrock's capabilities, allowing users to extract text, analyze charts, and comprehend visual content from PDF documents, enhancing the efficiency of processing complex documents. The Citations API and PDF support are available for specific Claude models and can be accessed through Amazon Bedrock's APIs, ensuring seamless integration into existing workflows. For more information on these new features and how they can enhance your AI applications, refer to the API documentation for detailed implementation guidelines. Amazon DynamoDB Global Tables with multi-region strong consistency is now generally available. Starting today, Amazon DynamoDB Global Tables now supports multi-region strong consistency. This new capability allows the building of highly available multi-region applications with a recovery point objective, RPO, of 0, achieving the highest level of resilience. DynamoDB Global Tables with multi-region strong consistency provides the highest level of application resilience, enabling applications to always be available and read the latest data from any region. It also removes the undifferentiated heavy lifting of managing strongly consistent replication. Multi-region strong consistency is ideal for building global applications with strict consistency requirements, such as user profile management, inventory tracking, and financial transaction processing. DynamoDB Global Tables with multi-region strong consistency is available in AWS regions including US East in Virginia, US East Ohio, US West Oregon, Europe Ireland, Europe London, Europe Paris, Europe Frankfurt, Asia Pacific, Tokyo, Asia Pacific, Seoul, and Asia Pacific, Osaka. Global tables with multi-region strong consistency is billed according to current global tables pricing. To get started with multi-region strong consistency, refer to the DynamoDB Developer Guide and visit the DynamoDB Global Tables page to learn more about building resilient multi-region applications. Amazon Elasticache now supports AWS PrivateLink in 8 additional AWS regions. Amazon Elasticache has extended its support for AWS PrivateLink in 8 new regions. AWS PrivateLink provides a secure way to connect to services like Elasticache privately, ensuring that network traffic is not exposed to the internet. To utilize AWS PrivateLink with Elasticache, users must create an interface VPC endpoint. This allows for private access to the Elasticache APIs and connectivity from various environments. For further information and a complete list of supported regions, refer to the AWS documentation or visit the Amazon VPC console. Now generally available, Amazon EC2 C8gn instance. Today, AWS announces the general availability of the new Amazon EC2 C8gn instances, powered by the latest generation AWS Graviton4 processors. And new instances provide up to 30% better compute performance than Graviton 3-based Amazon EC2 C7gn instances. Amazon EC2 C8gn instances feature the latest 6th generation AWS Nitro cards and offer up to 600 Gbps network bandwidth, the highest network bandwidth among network-optimized EC2 instances. Take advantage of the enhanced networking capabilities of C8gn to scale performance and throughput, while optimizing the cost of running network-intensive workloads, such as network virtual appliances, data analytics, CPU-based artificial intelligence, and machine learning AI/ML inference. For increased scalability, C8gn instances offer instance sizes up to 48 large, up to 384 gigabytes of memory, and up to 60 gigabytes of bandwidth. To Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS. C8gn instances support Elastic Fabric Adapter, EFA, networking on the 16x large, 24x large, 48x large, Metal 24XL, and Metal 48XL sizes, which enables lower latency and improved cluster performance for workloads deployed on tightly coupled clusters. C8gn instances are available in the following AWS regions: US East, North Virginia, and US West, Oregon. The Metal instances are only available in US East, North Virginia. To learn more, see Amazon C8gn instances. To begin your Graviton journey, visit the Level Up Your Compute with AWS Graviton page. To get started, see AWS Management Console, AWS Command Line Interface, AWS CLI, and AWS SDKs.